Look at that lovely tree.
What the hell was that?
I needed to sneeze.
But it was like a cough.
I know.
That was
I-
weird. A cough and a sneeze at the same time. Why do you always need to look at light when you're sneezing? It's a wives' tale, it's a fairy tale.
It's not. It's not. Do you know what I also think of when I'm trying to sneeze?
What?
Because they say that sneezing is 1/8 of an orgasm. Oh, and I'm really desperate to sneeze. And I'm looking at the light and it's not working. I try and sex myself up. I go, come on, I go into this.
Sex yourself up?
I go,
How'd you sex yourself up?
I pretend like I'm having sex with somebody.
And then sneeze?
And I go, oh yeah. This is true. I actually do that.
You go, I don't understand.
Like in my head, I go, oh yeah, oh come on. It's like, because it's like an orgasm, because having a sneeze is like a release, like an orgasm, like you have when you have an orgasm. Do you know what I mean?
So did you just put your hand down your pants?
No, there's no touching involved.
Just rubbing against twigs?
No rubbing.
Like in the forest. It's weird. That's totally weird.
Do you know what I'd love now?
What? A good roid. What?
Green and black, organic chocolate. And then I definitely get sick. Push it over on the log.
Push over on the log. You're on my side. You're on my side of the log. Get off. It's my side.
Sorry. What a party
Here,
pooper.
come here. Come here. Come here.
Fucker.
Yeah, that's my defense against my side of the log.
That's not fair.
If you come,
This is my defense.
this is mine.
Freezing.
It is. It's cold.
Stupid.
Stupid!
Fuckers. What are you gonna do when you go home? Are you gonna play the Xbox?
Probably find out why we were left here.
I'm gonna have a hot bath.
I'm gonna have a cold bath.
I'm gonna have loads of food. And then I'm gonna fucking kill my mother! Stupid fucking cocksucker! Okay, it's over now. Let's go home.
It's stupid crying. It's a waste of water. It's make you exhausted. And it's fucking annoying as well.
Fucking care! I thought you said there was a stream nearby.
I thought there was.